40 seconds until the market opens. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 50 of day trading the market open with a small account until we get enough confidence to fund the margin. We literally have nothing going on from stocks between like $1 and this one, $8. We have AREB making moves again. Let's see if this thing opening surges. I'm not going to take it though. Needs a crack 9 to opening surge. There's 9. Very nice. That is an opening surge. This is a very nice opening surge. The video could have only been 2 minutes long. That would have been kind of funny. What's that percentage on that opening surge there? 5%. 5% move. There's literally nothing else moving. This one's too expensive. This one's warrants, but that one, if you take out the warrants, then it's like 500,000 shares outstanding. For BULL. STSS is only 4 cents. It's crazy out there. Crazy out there today. You know what I'm saying? So we'll wait. We'll wait for something. ARTL, we gotta wait till something. We gotta wait till something gets a little more solid over there. The shares outstanding is less than 500,000. Or not shares outstanding. Did I say shares outstanding? I meant the volume. Volume's at 500,000. So once that has something to chart over here, maybe it'll give us the opportunity to trade it. But right now it needs quite a bit to set up. The tape's like hardly moving, so it's not a great candidate at the moment. Needs a crack 921 here for AREB. Bids are back at 9. Bids still at 9. Bids under 9. It's catching up a little bit. This is literally the only stock to trade right now, so I would think it would at least stay above VWAP. But there is pressure. What's gonna happen? What's gonna be the way? It's not holding VWAP. This is gonna get ugly. And it might halt down. This chart is lagging. This chart's not catching up with level 2. Level 2 had this down at a halt down way before that candle. Anybody see that? Charles Schwab's lacking. That's why level 2 is so important. Alright. Well, this one cooked. Let's see if people go over here to ATRL. Spread here is 2 cents, 3 cents. Let's see if we get a big buyer that steps in on the bids. Let's move for some of the other stocks and see what happens. Nothing moving yet. This time of sales is just dragging. Speed up a little bit for a second there. 3-cent spread for a stock that's $1 is not ideal. We back. Alrighty, TRL. Let's go to aftermarket open here. MB. Man, there's just nothing to pick from today. The haul down, nothing there. Maybe AREB comes back after this halt. We'll see. Okay. ATRL, looks like you're going to have to save the day, boy. Speeding up a little bit. Here we go. I'm gonna try to take a dip though because of these spreads, that the 3-cent spread. I'm gonna try to take a dip. Try to film me on a dip or something. Slowing down again. Bids dropped to 109. Stock still says 112. Or the chart, I meant, rather. This is crazy that this is the only thing that we have to watch, and it's moving at a snail's pace. That means I'd have to get in and I'd have to wait. The instant resolution would not be here on a stock like this. This is the opposite of momentum trading, but unfortunately this is the only thing I have to work with today. Which means I should probably not trade it. I'm probably going to trade it anyways. Wait, 110. It's just not moving. It's just not moving. AREB is going to come back in about 27 seconds. Minute to make a new high would be here at 112. AREB is back. Where's it at? Oh, it's not on the chart yet. Yeah, TD Ameritrade's or Charles Schwab is slow today with these. It's the chart is not reflecting the true price. So if you only know how to trade with the charts and you're on TD Ameritrade, you're getting whooped. You're going to be wondering why your exits and entries are so bad today. 1 minute to make a new high. Here's now again over 110 now. But it's like, it's not even moving. It's not even moving. Looks like the only trade that could have even been close to taken is the opening surge on ARUB. Halt down 717 for AREB. Interesting. I hit the ask +3 and I got filled at the bid here for ATRL. That's interesting. I took the 1 minute to make a new high there over this guy here. So we'll see how this shapes out. I'm going to try to take some profit off the table though. There's half off. Let's see if it breaks highs. We're going to have to cut the whole thing under here. Needs to break 116. Snail mail, baby. There's a break. Send us through highs. No send through high. Not being sent through high. Let's pick up that green volume though. There's 118. There's 119. Daily candles are what? Daily candles are chilling. It's 122. Let's take off another half near the top here. Under 120 will be jump there. Sweet. All right, so $70 trade there. Held it for a little while. And let's see if we snipe another one from here. We got more buying power. What do we say, kid? What do you say, kid? The green volume picked up a little bit. But this red volume looks like it's going to match unless it flies through 123. And candle turns green again. Maybe we should call it though. I mean, there's no stocks moving. Speeding up a little bit here. Small buyer, 117. Halt down's at 93 cents. So my entry on that stock was right here. And then it took half off here, and then took the full off there. I don't think I'm going to risk this VWAP bounce. Small buyers are at 112 though. Buyers getting bigger at 112. Well, considering the day, I'm very happy. I feel very fortunate to be up 70 bucks again. 1 minute to make a new high would be here now. 118. Then I have to press highs through 123. Small seller at 120. There's the 1 minute to make a new high. Oh, I didn't realize how big that red volume was. It's kind of gross. There we go. There you go. Needs to break 123. Green candle trying to catch. There's a break of 123, 125. The chart's lagging again. 128. All right, so that break of 117 looked like 1 minute to make a new high was the play. That VWAP bounce actually looked like the real way. 109 to 128. Sheesh. I don't know. I'm just not totally convinced on this stock, though. You see the green volume gets matched with red volume right after. Here, see this volume candle? It's catching up. It's gonna almost top out at the same exact area again. Yep, there's more red volume this time. I'm out. I'm gonna lock it up with a $71 green day. There's hardly anything moving. Thank y'all for being here. Much appreciated. Be good. Spread love. Be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.